Right. So I'm wondering, where's my calculator? If we have to add this mean, do we add the standard of error?
When I did, it still wasn't the same number.
Oh.
It ended up being 22 something instead of the 21.276 it has on the answer key. So for some reason, we're getting different answers than what the answer key has. But we have the same answer running the same thing. So either we're both doing the wrong thing or the answer key's wrong.
Let's hope it's the first.
That we're doing something wrong or the answer key. I'd like the answer key to be wrong and that we're doing it.
That's what I'm hoping, yes, that the answer key is, because it was the same thing in the homework assignment. You know, yeah. I copied it from the computer, but then, you know, they also said Excel and the SRSS are going to be different.
Yeah. But if we're doing it in SRS and the answers are supposed to be in SRS, shouldn't they be the same?
That's, yeah, what I would think.
That's my thought. But I don't know what's going on. So you ended up with, for the standard deviation, 25.6876.
For, that's for A, yes.
And N, what the heck is N? Uh-oh.
N is the sample size. So, and now I can't remember how do I get that?
Yeah, I don't remember either.
Well, I don't remember how to get that to calculate for me.
Interquartile range?
I thought so, but the answer's 41. So if we okay, so if we subtract 19, you know, if we have 1970 up to, this one's 2010.
I want to pull the data back up. Hang on.
That's for A.
It might be because some of the answers are 0.
But I think that's still included in your sample size, even if it's 0.
But then they would all have the same one, wouldn't they?
11. Well, some don't have a number at all. They don't even have 0.
That's what I mean. An empty.
Oh. Yeah, empty, I think we don't count it, but a 0 we count.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's upwards to, yeah, so I think that those empty slots are the reason why. So I wish this thing wasn't so stinking slow. Can't get it to do anything.
So yeah, it's just, and we have to count the years there for each column.
I'd have to print it to do it.
There would be an easy way to do that.
Well, I guess we could open it up in Excel and use that to do the counting stuff, because the Excel on your own desktop works fine, but anything on the remote is just not cooperating today. It's super slow. It hates me. That's okay. I'm not super fond of it right now either. These numbers are like totally different.
Yeah. Well, okay. For B, the standard deviation, I got pretty close. I have 49.71.
Is that size is like the number? This one, if that's what we're using, is that 67.2, that interquartile range. That's a huge difference because it's got 25 in the answer key, and this one says 67.2. I don't know how you have a point.
Wait. The answer key says 25. Which one are you on?
B. I'm on B.
Oh, for B, the mean 33, but I got 35.
Yeah, I got 35.066. The SD was close, 49.718 as opposed to the 49.311. But the N, it has this 25 in the answer key, and if we're using that interquartile range, it's 67.2. which is way different from 25.
Yeah.
That's not the number we're supposed to be using.
So, yeah, I don't know how they're.
Man, it'd be nice to have a third person right now.
Ah,
What did you get? You're the deal breaker here, the tiebreaker. Well, I'm going to write these numbers down, and then I'm going to go back and do it in Excel as well. Yeah, because, yeah, it's totally different on here, too. It's not the interquartile range. That's not it. Because that's the range from the high to the low. That's not how many there are.
right. And the only way I know to count is if you count the numbers in the column, but there has to be an easier way to do that.
I'm sure the data's in here. We just don't know where to look for it.
Yeah. Okay. So, okay, what if the range? No, that's still not going to give you the right thing.
Because all of this is dealing with the data.
Yeah.
Ranges, like what the numbers mean, not how many there are. So let's finish doing. Let's just do the median or the mean. Sorry, the mean and the standard deviation. Write those down, and then we'll go back and do the numbers for the
Okay.
end, the population. So for C, I've got 42.711.
Yeah. That's what I have. And then the standard deviation, 82.5029.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
D is,
Fred, I hit down too many times.
oh,
I can't read it now. It's too far away. Whoa. Oh, this stuff hates me. Okay, D has a mean of negative 0.474.
yes.
Okay.
And then the standard deviation is 24.7720.
Yep.
Okay, and then for E,
For E, the mean is negative 1.886.
yes. And then the standard deviation, 22.151.
2.151. Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I got for both of those as well.
Okay, so then making the histogram, I think,
Yeah, the histogram, we'll go do that in a second. I'm going to pull up the data, the Excel data. Okay, open this. Let's go to. Okay, come on, give me what I want. Look at that. Open it and give me the option. Not what I clicked on. All right, what are you doing right now?
Well, I went into Excel too, so I'm trying to
Open, because mine's not
figure
open.
out how to do it in Excel because I don't know Excel.
Yeah, I don't remember. There's actually, there's the one that shows us how to do it, but
Copy and paste your data into the blue column. What blue column?
I
Make it blue?
serious. Part of me says just count them. Oh, come on, you're killing me, computer. You can't do anything here. Oh, I still have this window open. How about that? So I'm going to go save the Excel one, maybe.
Okay, so auto sum. No, that wasn't what I wanted.
No! All right. This should not be this difficult. And it's not so much it's even difficult, it's just that it will not cooperate. You know?
Yeah, and now I can't even get my thing to, it's telling me I can't close. Oh, there. Just didn't like what I did. Okay. So
Why is your computer saying it's no big deal, I'm doing what it needs to do, and mine is just saying, haha, you're funny, I'm not helping you?
I don't know. I'm not, I don't know if I'm really getting what I wanted to do.
Well, I can't access some of this stuff. Maybe it's because of the remote desktop stuff, and it's a Mac versus a PC, and all my Mac stuff runs no problem. Any internet, anything through iLearn, through all that stuff, it's going, everything's just fine. But anything I have to look up through the remote desktop takes forever, and it doesn't like me, and I click on something and then I have to wait for it to scroll down.
Oh gosh. Yeah, I don't know.
I have to, like, it's one click at a time and then wait a few seconds for it to move, and then one more click and then wait for it to move, because if I try to just jump ahead and move it quickly, I can't, it takes a few seconds and then it loads and I have no idea where I am.
Yeah, and then you think it's not responding, so you click on it again and it is.
Yeah, and I just downloaded it like 8 times. I've done that.
But I cannot figure out how to do this in Excel. So
Yes, and I don't have the instructions written down for Excel.
okay. So I tried to screen share. Can you see my Excel?
Man. Well, I did. Where'd it go? There it is. Come back. There we are.
So now what do I do if it's
Well,
it says copy and paste your data into the blue column found on the left side of the page.
there is no blue column.
No.
Well, okay. I'm guessing that we have to select that data. The truth is we could just count it out. We could see how many roles are there and then deduct how many are empty. And that's your number.
Yeah, that's how I did the the other one. The first one was 41, the next one was 25.
So those were accurate?
Uh-huh. And then so
27 is what it has listed for the third one. So maybe those numbers are accurate. 27,
yeah.
42, 32.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 27 for C, is that what C is?
Yeah.
Yeah. So and if years worked this same, I guess, you could just subtract them.
Yeah, I just can't get it to load with any speed or anything. So yeah, I'm thinking that's probably what it is. I'm going to leave it. We're going to go with what you've got because I can't get it to, it's taking forever. I can't get it to load. It's going to take me.
But I was trying to figure out, I printed out the homework pack. I was trying to get it to calculate the mean, median, and mode in Excel from the instructions that it gave to see if it was the same answers. But I can't figure out how to do that because it says download and open the Excel spreadsheet, copy and paste your data into the blue column found on the left side of the page. And then the mean, median, mode, and other statistics will be located in the numerical descriptive statistics.
Are we copying it from Excel into the SRSS, or are we?
No, I was just trying to use Excel to see if the answer was different.
Oh, well, I wonder if you have to open up some kind of formatting, like data. Like
I don't know. And I don't really know. I'm not that good at Excel. I only know a little tiny bit.
Click on data.
This one?
Yeah, does it see, let me see here, does it show anything for stats? Self-filtering, grouping, what if analysis. I'm sure one of those is probably it, some kind of analysis.
Yeah, on the home screen, it has the statistical, see the auto sum there?
Auto sum. Is there a statistic? Click on the little arrow on the right, because those are just formulas that you plug in. Like
so if I put average, okay, so average for D, or the mean for D, no, was not 43.
Yep.
And then somewhere I said we'll never use the word average in statistics, but here we go.
Well, but we know what that means.
Okay, so what if I highlight all of E? Nope. I don't know how to figure it out in here.
Well, you can look this little arrow here on the auto sum. You can click on it and see if you can pull up, see if it has what would be the word? Yeah, we could go down and see if we can find. Actually, type up. You could type, you know, sample size in that thing and see if it. I don't know if it has the same verbiage.
Okay, so wait, let's see. There's sample size here. What about count?
Count. Yeah.
Counts the number of cells in a range that contains number.
Yep. That might work.
Okay, can you see?
So I think you need to highlight
my help screen here.
Yeah. So I think you would need to click on your column and
okay. Okay, so click on that and then more. Oh, count. So
I can't move anything to see what you've got because all I have is I'm just looking at the spreadsheet.
oh, you can't see my help screen.
No, I can't see your help screen.
Oh.
Like all I see is the Excel spreadsheet, and I can see that you've got some stuff highlighted, and I can see the little plus sign bouncing around as you move around.
Okay. No, because so I hit count, and then it said to put a start number and an end number. So I put 2011.
No, I would put 2011 because it doesn't know what, because that looks like data to them.
Okay, so
it's going to be you're going to be counting rows 2 through whatever, like that far left number, the row number.
Yeah, now I've erased all of column B.
Good job. Go hit the undo button.
I tried that, but it didn't. It only. So let me reopen it.
Hey, whoa! Wait a second. Guess what? When I did my histogram, the numbers are correct.
Oh, okay.
You did the histogram, the right numbers came up.
Okay, let me go into histogram. The other.
See, if I just went to the next step, it all came out correctly.
Okay. Oh, there you go. So, okay, wait, which one am I on? C.
I'm on A. Had you already done the other histograms?
Okay, yep. So now if you have to do it, you have to do it on the histogram to get the right answer.
Yeah, so I don't know what we're doing wrong. I'm sure that we'll have more.
Yeah, why is that little table thing not give us the right answer? I have to use the histogram.
But just so you know, when you try to shrink it, be careful because otherwise you just shrink it to oblivion.
Oh, the table to resize it?
It doesn't react because in real time, at least mine doesn't. So and next thing I know, it's like this.
I had a little, because I was trying to adjust him last night, and I'm like, I'm
trying to shrink it down so I can copy it and paste it into the thing so I can look at them each one. And
so the one place it said is to start from lower left corner.
It said from lower left? See, apparently when you read directions, you learn things.
Okay. So yeah, but it takes a minute. It doesn't, you can't see it resized. You just have to unclick and hope it's where you want it.
Oh, okay. Well, I have to undo my shrinkage here.
Okay. All right, so use our histogram when we're trying to find out our mean, standard deviation, and N, our sample size.
Yes, ma'am. Hold on, let go. I have to wait for it to finish
No problem.
being. Oh, that's for editing the chart. I don't care about editing the chart. It's fine the way it is. I just needed it smaller. What did I do now?
Oh, you're just trying to adjust the size of your
Yeah, but
histograms.
not like all kinds of crazy, weird changes it's doing, and I have no idea what happened, and it's still slow figuring out what I did. Undo it. Fix it. All right.
Okay, so if you have to go in and tell it to do each individual graph at a time, but it keeps adding it onto your page.
Yeah, your page just ends up being this ridiculously long thing.
Okay, because I wanted it to do it all at the same time, because your other one could do that, but the histogram cannot. You have to do it each individually, as far as I can tell.
No, it doesn't. Okay. Well, I don't know how to undo that, so I'm going to go back and I'm just going to do it again. I'll just have an extra one because I don't know how to do this. All right. Compare the results. It looks like we finally have the same results as each other and as
the answer key, which is a good sign.
Okay. Do you have all the graphs done?
I think I need to pull up two more. Yeah. So all my graphs are done.
Okay. Can you share them so I can see? I can't get them all. Mine are not. This thing is going so slow. It's going to take me forever to get them all pulled up. For some reason, yours are pulling up like no big deal. Mine are not.
Okay, so
I'm just wondering if it's because you're a PC and mine's a Mac, so that it takes it longer to communicate, or if it's just that I have a bad connection. My internet is fine, but my connection to here is not good.
So, okay, because I'm in I'm in their desktop now, but I'm connected to you on my desktop. So let me see if I can copy and paste it in.
Yeah, see if you can save. We'll just see if you can come. Yeah, that'll.
In a different program. No. No. Come on. Can we export it somewhere?
I don't know. I'm going to see if I can copy it in one and paste it in another. Copy it in one screen and paste it in the other screen.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I couldn't do it on. So next time, I guess I need to accept the conversation on their desktop instead of my desktop.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Oh, there we go.
What?
Okay, so I got E. Okay, so now let me see if I can screen share this now.
I just can't figure out why mine won't work. Why mine won't let me do anything.
Mm. Okay, can you see my Word document?
Yeah.
So that's E.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why I had to do it backwards, but okay.
So if you can pull, because I can't get them all to pull up. They're like literally. I just finally got A to reset itself. I don't know what the heck happened to it.
Oh, okay.
I'm just waiting, and I click on anything. I have half of a data or half of a dialog box open, and they're half open.
Okay, so now let's paste. Okay, there's D. Wrong thing.
Oh, it just kicked me out again.
Oh no. Okay, so there they are. Can you see them all?
Yeah. Okay, I'm still looking at you.
Oh. Do I need to share again?
You need to share it for me to see it. Yeah.
Okay.
Mine just kicked me out. I can't look at anything I just did in the SPSS.
Okay, can you see it now?
Hold on. Yeah. Okay, so this is E.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, did you want to look at it for a second before I?
Well, it's okay. I got E. Go ahead.
Okay.
D. Okay, D's more bell. Okay.
Okay. C.
C is more of a right skew.
Okay, wait a minute. The standard deviation. Oh, Never mind. I gotta be looking at the answer. Okay. B.
It's more.
Would you say bell shaped?
Yeah, I'd say it's more bell,
Yeah.
more symmetrical, roughly. Not necessarily, but that's the best definition. This is more right skew again.
Yeah.
And what was E? I forgot to see what E was. I looked at it, but I forgot to that portion
Okay.
of it.
Oh, here we
E is
go.
right skew as well.
Yeah. And D, we said bell, correct? D, bell. C is right skewed. B is bell. A, right skewed.
Yeah. And
Okay.
actually, scroll back up.
Mm-hmm.
Keep going.
Okay.
Again, I think it might be B that I was thinking. No, B is still pretty bell.
That was D.
A little bit for D, yeah, sorry.
I pasted them backwards.
That's fine, go back to A. Well, no, I mean, I'm just saying the wrong one. I know what I'm trying to say, I'm just not saying it correctly. Go all the way up.
Down to A or E?
Go all the way to E, please.
Okay.
Yeah, E is right skew.
Yeah.
No, I just had to look at it again because I wrote it down and then I'm like, wait a second, which one was that?
Oh.
Okay, so if you're saving for retirement, which of these would you go with?
And I said C because the standard deviation was so huge.
Mm-hmm.
But maybe so would the risk be more if the standard, so maybe that's not the best thing.
Yeah, I'm thinking you want to go with the lowest one, which would be B.
Okay.
Because the lowest standard deviation means you're going to get similar results. Right?
You're not going to have huge risk. Okay. Because I was thinking take a big risk and get huge reward. But I guess if you're saving for retirement, you really don't want to do that.
Yeah. Well, my thought is you want to, oh, I'm looking at the wrong number. Hold on.
Okay.
No, that's the right one. Of the standard
think,
deviation, D actually.
Yeah. D.
Sorry, I was looking at the sample size, not the.
Okay, so let me go to D. Okay. And I'm just basing that on the standard deviation and not necessarily how the chart looks. I don't know if that.
Well, it's Bell, which means the majority of the information is, better than half is going to be in that category of what you want.
So we want to, if we're looking for, we want something that's bell shaped.
You want something that's going to be consistent. If you're planning for retirement, you don't necessarily, I mean, honestly, you could make a risky investment and you could make bank, but you'd be the exception.
Right. Okay.
So I think what you want is you want to go with what is going to be the most likely to benefit you, not the one that you don't know, that's kind of all over the map,
Okay.
That, like it's kind of like the multi-marketing stuff. There's that handful that do fantastic, but then everybody else on the outskirts don't.
Yeah, and that's not necessarily something you want for retirement, something that's high risk. You want, unless you're really young.
Yeah, I mean, you can risk everything. Anybody can. And the truth is, anybody can say this, but if I'm saving for my retirement, I'm going to go with something that I know the money's going to be there, not where the money's going to disappear.
Okay.
That's my opinion.
Okay. So yeah, I agree with you. In my first train of thought, I'm thinking go with something that's going to make you the most amount of money fast, but that's not really what you want for retirement.
No, I mean, everybody wants to earn the most amount of money, but with a high risk, you also risk losing whatever you invested as well.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So now it says for 10, complete the following when instructed by the TA. So we're not doing that?
We could do it anyway without the TA.
Okay. I have to find my bird flu influence stuff here.
Hey, guess what? I got it to open up on my new laptop, my new to me laptop, and it responds in half the time.
Excellent. We're making great progress.
It's still a crappy connection because it's slow, but I mean, I can scroll, count to 2, and it's already there. Whereas this one, I have to count like 10, and I'm like, it's thinking about loading it. But I couldn't even get this to connect to it earlier.
Oh no.
So whatever. But now I'm looking at graphs. I got them to work. Everything I did is still in here. Everything I did is still listed. So I'm happy. Yay. Good. That was ridiculous. Can't believe how long it was that. Okay, so
we're looking at the severe cases.
Oops. What are we doing?
We're looking at the severe cases of the
book. Okay, yes. Sorry, the severe cases. I'm like, where are you? I'm totally not even sure what you're doing. Okay, so we want to look at the bird. What is it? Bird flu data. Where is the bird flu data?
So that's in the reading.
Yes. So where is it? Here we go. Okay.
So then we have to find, so after we get them all, then we have, how come it seems like I'm missing numbers? Because I am. So then we have to get the mean, right?
So we're looking at, we're looking at using the severe cases. So that's going to be column 1 is going to be the severe cases, right?
The relatively uncomplicated cases is the first column, and then the severe cases is the second one. So 39.1, 39.5, 38.9.
Well, it's deviation from the mean. That's not the mean. The mean we have to figure out. The observation, it says using the severe cases bird flu data, not the relatively uncomplicated cases.
Yeah, so we're not going to use the line of the uncomplicated cases.
No, we just want to use the severe cases. So 39.1, 39.5, 38.9, 39.2, 39.9, 39.7, and 39.0. The deviation from the mean, so we've got to find the mean.
So here we go. I'm going to write out here.
Oh, you haven't printed it out yet?
I printed it out, but I haven't figured it out, so I'm adding all mine up.
I hate it when it doesn't pick up the decimal. At the decimal.
So, how far out do we go 3 decimal points out, or just?
I don't know that I think for this one, because it has 1 decimal, I don't see why we need to go beyond that.
Okay. All right.
My calculator won't let me.
So let me know when you have the.
Well, I messed up, so I had to start
That's
over.
okay.
Okay.
I just didn't want you to be waiting for me.
Okay, are you done?
So
I have 272.3 and 275.3, so I'm not sure which one I screwed up on.
Oh, well, the mean I got was.
I have to divide it. I just didn't finish. I didn't finish because I came up with 2 different numbers.
Oh, I can't. Okay, let me multiply here. 275.3.
Hold on, I'm redoing my number to see what the number is. Yeah, 275.3, and there's 7.
Divide by 7.
So 39.32.
Yep, that's what I got.
328, 329.
Yeah, 39.32. Yeah, if you round it up, 9. But I just dropped everything out. I just did the 39.3. And then I was working on the deviation from the mean.
Mm-hmm.
So for like the first one, we're going to do 39.1 minus 39.3, which is going to be a negative 0.2.
Okay.
And then the next one is a positive.
Mm-hmm. So 0.2 and then negative 0.4. Oh, come on. I hate the calculator.
0.6.
Where'd you get the 0.6? Oh, you're on at the 39.9.
Yeah.
I'm like, what? My daughter's texting me and I can't seem to focus on everything.
Oh, that's okay. My sister's texted me twice. My husband called too, so they can all wait.
Okay, so you have negative 0.2, then 0.2, negative 0.4, 0.1, 0.6, 0.4, and then negative 0.3. Is that what you have?
Yep. So then, okay.
So
0.1 squared is 0.01?
yes, because it's two. There's two decimals involved. So it's you just multiply the number by itself, and then add an extra decimal place.
Okay, I was doing this wrong last night. Okay, so
Yeah.
0.036. Okay, so for the squared deviation,
Mm-hmm.
0.04, then 0.04 again,
Mm-hmm.
0.016,
No, just 0.16
oh,
because it's 16 and you need two decimal points, two decimal places. So it's just point.
okay, so 0.1 and then 0.36.
What? I don't know where you got the three. Okay, here's what I've got. Okay, 0.04, 0.04, 0.16, 0.01, 0.12, 0.16, and 0.09.
Okay, so on the 0.6 squared would be 0.36, right?
Yeah, it's 6. Yeah, I'm like, what?
Okay.
I didn't multiply. Sorry. Thank you for catching me. Figure out why it was wrong, and then I'm like, that doesn't make sense either. So, good job. You're on it. I keep screwing up. I'm having a bad day. This is what happens when I don't sleep, and then I can't get my computer to cooperate. Okay, so our mean. These are 39.3. Then we got to do a sum of our deviations, right?
Yeah. Okay, and then
So sum of 2 is 0.4, 0.4. That's what I got. What'd you get?
wait. So for the sum, I got 0.86.
For which?
The sum,
For column 1 or for column 2 or column 3?
column 3.
Oh, I'm just doing column 3 now. I'm like, what?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I got for 0.86.
Okay,
And then I got
so
0.
then we're gonna put it over n minus 1.
Hold on. I forgot the formula. What was it again?
N minus 1. So the n is the population, or is it population or sample? Sample size.
Sample size.
So which would be 7 for us,
Mm-hmm.
minus 1.
Yeah.
So then I did 0.86 divided by 6.
Whoa. Wait. So hold on. What did I just do? I got my formula wrong, written down here wrong.
Oh.
All right. I don't think I have the formula written down right, and that's why I don't understand it.
So I have variance.
I'm very close. I have 0.143, and the answer is 0.142.
So, well, but then okay, I think because we just didn't go all the way out, right?
Yeah, so they went out to further decimal places than we did.
Yeah, and then the standard deviation is 0.37 because you get the 0.14 and then take the square root of that.
Yeah. What is that?
Well, that's my phone. I put on vibrate.
Well, I'm like, there's this noise. What is that? No, it's totally fine.
It kept dinging, so I put it on vibrate, but that's still. Somebody sent out a group text.
Oh, those are so fun, aren't they?
Yes. So are you doing yours to go out to 2 decimals?
Yeah, I'm just redoing them to go out to the 3 decimal points here.
Okay.
Although because of my calculator, it wouldn't let me do. Oh, yes, it would have. If I'd have done it correctly, it would have let me do it. All right. Let me just double check something really fast, and then we can move on. Are you ready to go on to the next thing?
Yeah, well, yeah, except for, so because then when I just tried to add the one more decimal, I got 0.143, but where did we have to add?
We needed the decimals once we got the mean, and then we use that to do column 2, and then also to do column 3, like stay at 3 decimal points for column 1, column 2, and column 3. I think I'm finally getting it though, thankfully. Dude, this is like a 2-hour chat so far. And we haven't reviewed any homework because we're allowed to do like the homework thing together. We have to do the quiz together.
Yeah.
Or the group meeting together. You ready to do the group quiz, or you?
Oh, yeah.
You make sure the wrong site, wrong patient information is pulled up, since that's what we're using. Come on, don't fail me now. You've been working so nicely. Recently used. Okay, so I have the wrong site, wrong patient data up.
Okay.
On this computer. I don't know why it's opening twice. Oh, that's the other one. That's why. That one can go away. I don't need you now. Okay. So you ready to start it?
Yep. Okay, so we're in the L03 group meeting, right? And then
Yes.
the bottom where it says start for the quiz.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm ready.
I did complete the individual preparation, and I'm definitely actively participating. Not that I know what the heck I'm doing, but I am actively participating. Okay, on rare occasions, a medical procedure is performed on the wrong body part of a patient's body or on the wrong patient. These are called wrong site and wrong patient mistakes. Such errors occur hundreds of times each year across the US. The medical community is trying to eliminate these errors, but have had difficulty reducing their frequency. In a small percentage of these cases, the patient files a lawsuit against the hospital. Philip, whoever, he conducted a study of these mistakes in the lawsuits that follow. The data in the wrong file, wrong site, wrong patient represent the amount in dollars hospitals have been required to pay in wrong site, wrong patient lawsuits. Some of the values equal 0, indicating the hospital won the legal battle. Find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits and round your answer to the nearest whole dollar.
Okay, so we're going to use a histogram, right? Because that
actually gave us what we wanted.
Yeah.
That was accurate. Shoot, I got to keep an eye on the time because I was supposed to run my kids' lunch at 11:40. I've got 30 minutes. Well, I got about 20 minutes. I got to go.
Where is it? So the mean, did you get it up?
It's coming up. It's a little slow.
Okay.
The mean is 8.0, so it's $80,041, right?
Yeah. And the standard deviation 71,403.828. And the sample size is 411.
Yes, that's what I have too.
Okay.
So 80,000. Oh, it won't let us use any like symbols. It's just the numbers. 80041.
Well, let's put a point. Yes. Okay. 24.
But it says to the nearest whole dollar.
Oh. Okay. Thank goodness you're reading. Okay.
Well, I learned by doing and making one of the nearest whole dollar on this too. So 71403 or 404.
4. Yep. Okay.
71404. Is that what you got?
Yep.
Hepatic angiosarcoma is a rare and usually fatal type of liver cancer. Study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness. The data represent their survival times in months, 5, 19, 1, and 3. Use this information to answers 5 and 6. What is the median survival time? Well,
so we got 1. So then we put it 1, 3, 5, and 19.
Between 3 and 5 would be the median.
Yeah. Would be 4.
Yeah.
Right? Is that what you got? It's 4 months?
Well, because it's median, not mean. So it's not the averaged out. It's just what's in the middle between the 2 middle numbers, right?
Right. Yeah.
That doesn't seem right, but okay, let's do it.
Okay. Yeah, because that's what I got.
That's what the definitions tell us to do. Okay, what is the standard deviation of the survival times? Okay.
Well, and just when I looked at that thing, it was saying the median is resistant to outliers. So that 19 would probably be considered an outlier because it's way.
No, but you know what I mean? In my head, I'm like, but hey, but that's why it's like that, is to screw us up. So the standard deviation. So we need to take the mean.
Yeah, so we got to add 1, 3, 5, and 19.
It's 55 divided by, not times, divided by 4. It's 13.75.
Oh, well, don't we have to subtract? So like we have to do 1 minus 55.
Wait, I'm just finding the median. I mean the mean.
Oh, we have a standard deviation, right?
Find standard deviation, don't you need the mean first?
Oh yeah, okay, never mind. Sorry. So 55 divided by 4.
Yeah, which is saying we do need that, right?
Yes. I skipped that step.
And then we have 5, 19, 1, 3. So
it'd be 1 minus 33.43.
Whoa, what?
Okay, so for your.
Did you already plug the
mean? Did you get 33.42?
By what? What
did you get for your mean?
My mean, I got 13.75. Because 5
And
plus
I got 7. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 19 is 28.
yeah.
And then divided by 4
Uh-huh.
will give us our mean of 7.
Okay, why is it giving me 13? Hold on. 5. That doesn't make sense to me either, but for some reason, every time I hit it, that's what it says.
Mm.
Oh, come on, calculator. 5 plus 19 plus 1 plus 3 equals 37 divided by 4 equals 9.25.
Wait, 1?
Oh,
Am I
5,
missing a number?
19 plus 1 plus 3 equals 28. Am I hitting something wrong? 7. I think my calculator is one of those where it's picking up the extra number that I'm hitting.
Right. Yeah.
It's not. I'm sorry. It's not picking up the addition sign in between, and I'm not catching it doing it.
Okay.
So 7 is the mean.
Yes.
Okay. So this is -2. This is -12. Oh no, this is just 12. -2, 12. -6. -4. Is 4. -144. 6. You get 200 for the
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then, so the total is 4
1 over
minus 1. So 200 over n minus 1, which would be 4 minus 1, right?
hold on. What?
So 200 divided by n minus 1, which would be 4 minus 1. So that would be 200 divided by 3.
Mm-hmm.
Which I got 66.667.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you do the square root of that, 8.165. Is that what you got?
If I follow the same thing you did, yeah, 8.165.
Okay, so then our answer would be 8.2 months, right? Because we're going to round to the nearest tenth.
Yes, let me see something really, really quick here. Yes, sorry, yes.
Okay.
Trying to figure something out, and I'm like, where did that come from? I lost something. I dropped the number somewhere. I swear I'm having issues. So 8.8 to the nearest tenth would be 8.2.
Yes.
Okay, for 7 through 9, give the 5 number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit. What is the first number? I don't know.
5. Well, the first number would be, so the first number is the lowest number. So we have to do our percentiles, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah. So this would be, we just give the percentage of the mean?
So I think we have to go in and do, because we have to do our box summary or whatever, right?
Is that how to do that?
Yeah, let me find, I tried to mark these, so. Okay, so for a 5-number summary in SPS, do the following. You're going to hit analyze.
But we have to put the data in. We don't have that data in.
Well, we're doing it on the wrong
Sorry, I was
patient.
wrong here. Yes, we're on the right thing. So we're going to go analyze. Yes, you're correct. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's okay. So analyze descriptive statistics and then explore.
Analyze. Come on, open. This is slowing down. Ugh.
And the computer is so wonderful and so frustrating. I can't imagine though having to do this without the computer.
No, I can't. This is taking me forever to do anything, whether it's with or without the computer, because every time I click on something, it just, see, now it's starting to do what it did before.
Oh. Okay, so let me see if I can click statistics. Okay, so I'm going to click statistics and then percentiles and see if I can share the screen with you.
Okay, well, it's telling me I have to hear it. Okay, wait. Let me see if it highlights, because, okay, everything stopped changing on my screen. Analyze. Yellow. Yellow. Descriptive statistics. Now that's yellow. And then we're going to explore, right?
Yeah, explore.
Or where did that paper go? Yeah. And then statistics, and make sure it's percentiles. And then continue. Okay. Come back here. Dang thing. Percentiles. Okay, so percentiles. We've got, is this the right information?
Yeah, so you got to go down a little bit where it has the weighted average and then the
Yes.
Takei's hinges. So a 5-number summary is comprised of the minimum, which for this one would be 1, right?
Yeah, so minimum is 1.
And then our,
There is the 25%, right?
yeah.
Which would be the 29,379.
The 25% I'm looking at is 3900.
Oh, it's giving me,
Did you do wrong patient? Are we on wrong
Yeah.
patient?
are you on the right one? Because mine says,
So I'm wondering, are you in wrong patient or wrong site? Right above it where it says descriptives.
I'm looking, hold on, it's
Okay.
it's moving very fast. So that's wrong site. We're supposed to be on wrong patient, oh, wrong patient. Oh, slow. I hate this thing. Show me percentiles. Come on. Okay. It just says percentiles. It just says weighted average definition 1, and they all say wrong site.
So then, oh, because you're in the wrong site and you need to be in the wrong patient.
Well, I'm trying to scroll up through it.
So, well, you have to tell it you want to do that.
Mm-hmm.
So analyze, descriptive statistics, explore, and then C in your dependent list.
Okay, I didn't see that. Hold on. Remember, mine doesn't load very fast, so I probably could go on without checking the last one. Without waiting for it to finish loading to give me other options. So I'm like, this isn't making sense. Come on, load already. Oh, see, okay, I see what I did.
Okay.
Well, I just didn't realize, I thought it was in here twice for a different reason. I didn't realize it was in here for wrong patient, that was an option different from what I had.
And I think in this one, you could put both of them over there at the same time if you want, where in the...
Yeah, you can do both of these at the same time. The problem is I just didn't realize I was doing the wrong one because I didn't realize there were two different ones.
Okay.
Okay, so wrong patient percentiles. Yep, 3,900.
Okay, and then for the 75, it's 5436.5.
So run to the nearest cent. So yeah, so 0.50.
Okay. So, and then it says on my thing, some students mistakenly include the mean in the 5-number summary. The third value in the 5-number summary is the median. So our median was 4, right?
Hold on. Our median was 4, yes.
Yeah. Okay, so our first number is, okay, so and then, okay, the 5-number summary is comprised of the minimum.
Hold on. What number are you on?
Oh, well, I'm still working on the same, but I'm reading from the book stuff.
Oh, okay. I'm like, that's not one of the questions. What are you talking about?
Oh, okay. So the 5-number summary is comprised of the minimum. So that would be our 1, right?
Minimum, the 25th percentile, then the mean, which we don't need in this case because it didn't ask for it.
Well, we want the median. So it wants the minimum, the first quartile, the second quartile or median, the third quartile, and the maximum.
Okay. Look at that. Just making sure I wrote that down correctly. Yeah, median. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, anyway, don't worry about me. I'm kind of scattered.
So the only thing that okay, it says the second quartile or median because the second quartile is different than our median. Our second quartile is when
we didn't do.
Well, here, you know what? I'm on the wrong.
Yeah, we didn't do them.
I'm doing the wrong information again.
Yeah, we didn't do that one, I don't think.
I shouldn't be doing 1 and 19. It's a different number.
Yeah. We're not doing those numbers. We're doing
So the median, okay. So on our thing here, our minimum is 0 on the descriptives above. And our maximum is 125.
But it doesn't ask us for the max.
Oh, but that's part of our 5-number.
But what is the first number in the 5-number summary? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, it should be 0.
It should be 0, yeah.
Minimum.
0.
Then
The second number is the 3,900.
And then the median
number, I don't need to list it. Mine goes to the 4th number.
Well, are you trying to put them in? Sorry, I'm writing them down on a paper right now.
No, because I'm trying to do them because I need to go here pretty soon. So I'm trying to finish the quiz.
Okay.
So for number 9, I got the 50,436.50.
Okay. Okay. So what's the first number? 0. The second number. $50436.5, and then Oh, it doesn't ask for the 5th. Okay, so Redbox is is that where you are now?
Yeah.
Redbox is an increasingly popular way to rent movies in the U.S. Individuals can go to Redbox kiosk and have a wide variety of movies to choose from. A study was done in which researchers observed the duration and time individuals spent making a decision on which movies to rent at Redbox. Based on the following box plot, answer the questions 10 through 12. What is the third quartile of Redbox decision times? Would be 100.
Just over 100. So you just want to put 100?
Okay.
We're going to put just over 100.
Oh, it asked for a number, so should we put like 110? Because it's not quite at the line.
Yeah, it's just above the line, so 110. The second one is going to be like 720.
Yeah, yep.
It's not quite a quarter in my head.
Right, okay.
Box plot, what is the value of the mean?
Ah.
Isn't the mean the line?
Oh, let me look. If the mean is the line or the mean, is that the mean or the median?
No, the line.
No, that median. We can't tell because the line is the median. So I think we can't really tell, right?
Well, it'd be closest to 105 seconds, but we don't.
I'm going to pick that it can't be determined, but it would. I'm guessing that it would be closest to 105 because the mean and median are usually pretty close.
Yeah, but we don't have that information. We don't have the data.
Yeah, so I'm going to say this can't be determined. That's what I'm going to guess.
That's what I'm saying too. You ready to submit?
Yeah, let me just click that and hit submit. Oh,
We missed one.
number 3 and number 10.
Well, I guess 110 seconds is not accurate. So I guess we should have put the 100 seconds or 105 seconds. Oh, well.
I mean, really.
Okay. Well,
Anyway,
I need to go.
All right.
So
Thank you.
thank you very much. Sorry this took for flipping ever. If you want to get together later and look over the homework, we can.
Okay, I'm okay.
All right, cool.
All right, thanks.
Awesome. See ya. Bye.
Bye.